Marketers have perfected the art of following their customers and leads around the internet. And while it might seem like they might have unlimited resources and funding, it's actually the power of strategic marketing. But it raises an important question. Are we looking at a multi-channel strategy? Or have these marketers mastered omni-channel marketing? By the end of this lesson, you'll know the key differences between multi-channel and omni-channel marketing, when to use each, and how to start crafting an effective multi-channel marketing plan tailored to your audience. Let's start with the basics. What is multi-channel marketing? It's the use of multiple platforms, both digital and offline, to engage your audience. Think platforms like email, social media, websites, in-store promotions, and even print ads. The goal here is consistency. You want your messaging to feel unified across these channels while meeting each one's unique expectations. For example, your tone and format on LinkedIn might be professional and insight-driven, while on TikTok you might focus on short, playful videos. Both channels serve your brand, but they do so in different ways. So how does multi-channel compare to omni-channel marketing? Multi-channel focuses on using various platforms effectively to reach a broad audience. Each channel operates somewhat independently, though the messaging remains consistent. Omnichannel, on the other hand, is all about seamless integration. It ensures that no matter where or how your customer interacts with your brand, the experience feels cohesive and personalized. For example, in a multi-channel approach, a customer might see a social media ad, visit your website, and then receive an email, all as separate touch points. In an omni-channel approach, those interactions are interconnected. The email might reference the specific product they viewed on your website, creating a seamless journey. When should you choose multi-channel versus omni-channel marketing? Use multi-channel marketing when you want to reach a broader audience quickly. Transition to omni-channel marketing if you're looking to create a unified experience across platforms, especially for retention-focused campaigns or long-term customer relationships. Why is multi-channel marketing so valuable? By combining digital and offline strategies, you can connect with diverse demographics. Also, tailoring content to platform-specific behaviors increases effectiveness. Constantly reinforcing your messaging builds familiarity and trust with your audience. How do you build a multi-channel marketing plan? Let's talk about it. Start with these steps. Step 1, create detailed customer profiles. Who are your ideal customers? Where do they spend their time? And how do they prefer to engage? Step 2, define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, so SMART goals. For example, increase website traffic by 20% within 3 months. Generate 100 leads through social media campaigns this quarter. Step 3. Choose the right marketing channels and tailor your content. Tools like Adobe Express help maintain cohesive branding while adapting to platform-specific needs. Step 4. Define key performance indicators or KPIs, click-through rates, conversions, and engagement metrics. Monitor these regularly to see what's working and what's not. At the heart of any successful marketing strategy is your audience. Align your marketing to where your customers are and most active. For example, younger audiences might resonate with creative, fast-paced content on TikTok. Professionals might prefer thought leadership articles on LinkedIn. Don't underestimate the power of personalization. Tools like Adobe Target allow you to create customized experiences that resonate with individuals while maintaining your brand's identity. Your next step, pick one marketing channel where your audience is most active. Craft a campaign tailored to that platform. Then think about how you can expand this effort across 2 or maybe even 3 additional channels. By starting small and scaling strategically, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful multi-channel marketing strategy that drives engagement and builds lasting connections.